In this video, I'm going to show you very quickly and very easy of buying your first or second or third cryptocurrency using Coinbase. And we're also going to do a quick tutorial over Coinbase. And then I'm also going to show you how you can send this over to another exchange at the end of this video. Now, if this is your first time watching or listening to this video, click on that subscribe button and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more edutainment information that can grow your business, grow yourself, and just grow you as a person. So let's go ahead and dive into this content because I'm so excited about this because I was asked for a tutorial over Coinbase and actually go through the process. Now, if you don't have a Coinbase account already, you can click on the description box right below, open up your free account, and look at this. You will get some free Bitcoin just by opening up your account, and you have to invest into an actual cryptocurrency. So it's actually a two-part, connection with this as well. Now, Coinbase, they go by this a lot. I'm the easiest. Coinbase is the easiest place to buy and sell and manage your cryptocurrency portfolio. Now, yes, it is a very easy service, but I'm going to show you step by step how you can purchase your first one or even your fifth one as well. By the way, I'm Adam Shelton. Let's go ahead and dive into this content. Now, the first thing you want to do when you click on that link below, if you already have an account, you want to sign in. And the next step, they're going to give you a two-step verification. It's more of a security verification to let you know that, they want to know who you are and want to know this is a safe service. And they send you this because you have this set up already within your account. So when you open your free account, you must go through this two-step verification, put your cell phone information in there, put your also information there as well. So I got my information now. I'm going to type it in 6422. So I'm verifying right now. It should go right through it. And so bam, we're right at the home page. Now, the first thing I would want to go do is that, okay, so if I want to buy a cryptocurrency, I first will go under prices, because then I can look at all the prices and I can look at all the cryptocurrencies all the way up and down. Now, these are all the actually assets you can buy right on Coinbase. Coinbase doesn't have everything out there for sale in terms of assets. You can't buy every cryptocurrency, but you can buy a good amount of them. And how you know about that is called tradable assets. Make sure this is under tradable assets. If you click on all assets, it's going to bring all the assets, but doesn't mean that it's tradable. So make sure if you're interested in just buying assets and you just want to look at buying assets, make sure this says tradable assets. So the first one I'm going to go here is go to Ethereum. Now, Ethereum, if you click on there, it shows you the price and it shows you information about what's going on with Ethereum. Gives you a chart that shows you a 24-hour chart that shows you where it was 24 hours ago and what it up to present time. And you can kind of play around with these 1 hour, 24 hours, 1 weekly, 1 month, 1 year. So you can kind of, really kind of analyze exactly where it's going in the market. The next thing below here, it just gives you some basic information about market cap. Also gives you information how popular it is on Coinbase, the circulating supply. And I like this little question. Well, there's actually a little box here that shows you exactly information about. So it pretty much shows you what circulating supply is. It's the amount of Ethereum that is currently liquid and in circulation. So it shows you this is the amount that's in circulation. The volume of this 24-hour is 38.3 billion. So that's pretty high for Ethereum. I've seen this much higher actually. And then market cap is actually 205. So that's a big market cap, looking to go up as well. The trading activity and typical hold time as well. Now, this is more information about Ethereum. You got your official website, white paper, and it's all news and articles about Ethereum. Now, if I'm ready to buy Ethereum, simple. You type in the amount of Ethereum that you want to purchase. Remember, 1 Ethereum is this price here, but you don't have to purchase and use this. You don't have to purchase all this to have a piece of Ethereum. If I just want to say, I just want $10 Ethereum, I'll just click on $10 Ethereum. And if I click on this arrow at the top there, at the bottom, it's at the bottom, click on it again. It's going to show me exactly how much Ethereum that is worth. So $20 or $10 is worth this amount of Ethereum. I can use a one-time purchase or repeat purchase by checking any of these right here every day, every week, 1st and the 15th. every month. It's kind of like, you know, your paycheck, the 1st and the 15th. I want Ethereum 1st and the 15th. Well, I want every month, every week. You can actually set this up each and every single time. Then this is the Ethereum. You can change this if you like to another assets by clicking there and just, you know, clicking on a different asset that you want to purchase. And then here's your bank account, your actual method of payment. Now, I already have my bank account set up on this account, and you can do that as well once you open up your free account or go inside your settings. You can add an account, add a bank account or a payment method, or you can go right to the actually area and just add a payment right here. Very simple, very simple. You're also gonna add a debit card and a wire transfer. And this shows you the limit of amount that you can actually use from your bank account or your actually debit card. Very simple. And then the next thing here, here's a preview here that shows you how much Ethereum that you're gonna get. We'll click the up arrow. That's the down arrow. Let's see, let me see the down. Okay, so it shows you I'm gonna get $8.93, and this is how much Ethereum I'm gonna get. If I click on preview buy, it's also gonna show you exactly how much Ethereum that you're gonna get as well. Now, I'll click on buy now, and it's all set and ready to go. Now, I already have about $8 in Ethereum already. If I click on home, and if I go down, it's already showed me I do have a little Ethereum for this training services. So if I click on Ethereum, I go right back to it. It shows me when I bought it already, which was just not that long ago, $9.01 worth of Ethereum. And if I want to send this Ethereum to someone, so I'm gonna go schedule this. If I want to buy it, if I wanted to sell it, the same thing. I'll get to sending it in a few minutes. If I want to send it here, I sell it here, same thing, type an amount, sell, it goes right to USD, and preview sell, it goes to the preview sell option right there. Very simple, really easy. I mean, very simple. Shows you exactly how much you're actually gonna get back. Your payout's gonna be $7.01 because Coinbase fee takes out fees out already. So, and if I want to convert this to another asset, really simple. I can type in $8 again, if that's my example for the number. And I want to convert this to Bitcoin. Preview convert. Now it's going to tell me how much Ethereum is taken out to how much Bitcoin I will receive. So I'll receive this in Bitcoin, and I'm exchanging this to get here. So that's how that works there. It's very simple, very simple. $8 worth of Ethereum that I'm exchanging to get to the Bitcoin right there. And this shows you exactly one Ethereum is worth this amount of Bitcoin. One full Ethereum, which would be this number there, is worth, this is how much Bitcoin that's worth. But this is the Bitcoin I'm actually getting with this transaction from this Ethereum, $8 worth. Okay. So if I want to send this Ethereum, I click on send, and I can type in the number just like I've been doing. I can email this to somebody. I can email this as a gift, like a birthday gift, as an anniversary gift, or just as a gift as a whole, instead of mailing them things. Hey, I'm gonna send you some Ethereum. I'm gonna send you some Bitcoin. I'm gonna send you some cryptocurrency as a gift. All they need is a Coinbase account, so they can open up a free account, and this can be right into their account, and they can just let it grow, let it grow, let it really observe inside the account. You can just type in their email address, just like this. And then the little note option, it's an optional note here. It's really optional. You can say happy birthday. And then I'm paying with Ethereum. I plus continue. That's gonna go to this is gonna actually go to the email address. When they open up the email inbox, it's going to redirect them to a Coinbase. So a Coinbase actually website, they can sign in or start their free account with their email address, this email address. You also can send this to a different exchange. So if I wanted to send this to Gemini or something like that, or I'm just making an example of Gemini, I have a Gemini account just open here. I can go right here. All I need is the address. So all I need is actually the address of Gemini. So I can get the address right from here. And it's really simple, easy. I can go to portfolio, and then I can go right to Ethereum. And let's see, I'm gonna get the address. Withdraw here. So I'm gonna withdraw. And then if I get my destination, and then I get my destination USD, and then I can get it right from here. Select my destination. So if I say, oh, I don't have anything on my Ethereum. Okay. So, all right, so it's not letting me get there. But yes, you will get your actually numbers right in here. You can do that. So let me see, withdraw, deposit. Yeah, because your Ethereum will be right here. This is how I can get it. So I don't have the, how I get that, I don't actually have any Ethereum. So basically this is how I can get it from here. So you can get the actually address from, like, example, from your Gemini account, you can get your address from here, and then you can go from there. Hold on here, I want to see something here. Try something here. Yeah, okay. So yeah, let me see here. Yes, so yes. So you can get your account in here. I'm just trying to look for like my Ethereum here. So it's not letting me do here, but I'll just move on. So basically, once you have your address here, you'll just put it right there and you can send it there. Same thing receiving. You're receiving, see, it'll look like something like this. That's all we're looking for Gemini in there. It's not bringing up, but this will be an example. Let's pretend this is the Gemini address to send it to the Ethereum. You'll do this and you'll copy and paste it. Let's say pretend that was the Gemini. That's what you would do, and you'll continue sending. And you can receive Ethereum. So if I was trying to send Gemini, like if I had something Ethereum, I can actually receive that from here. So when it says deposit, I can actually get it in here. So I can actually go through there and send it. I'm just making an example of Gemini. I know this is a Coinbase tutorial, but I'm just making an example how you can do this. So receiving it, you click here and you go to the exchange and you can send it. Use this as a receiving and you can get the actually Ethereum from here over to that exchange. So it's very simple and really easy to do once you set up there. But Coinbase is really easy to send and receive because it tells you right here. I do like Coinbase because it is simple for beginners. Because if I want to send something, click send, email address, or the actual ID, or actually address, the amount, and it's done. It's good to go. For you, another part here, it shows for you. And this is just up-to-date information that's going on within Coinbase. So I advise you to go through this as well. This is the up-to-date stuff. So this is February 15th. This is stuff that's happening today. So go here and watch these things. And sometimes what happens is they'll have like free quizzes or free rewards as well. That's usually through this. And it says buy Atom or buy, DAI. Look into that. Click on there and find out why they're asking to buy it. Earn rewards. Same thing here. You can earn free rewards by taking quizzes and just taking the time to go through the process. So really go through here. And notifications is just stuff that's been notified. So let me know Bitcoin's up 7.45%, but also let me know Bitcoin is down 5.03%. So your alerts, my alerts is on, and you can check your settings there to make sure they are on as well. And so that's pretty much the basic. The home page shows you your watch list. So how you get your watch list, you go to prices, and then here you can click on the star. If I click on star, I want Litecoin to be a watch list. All of a sudden Litecoin is a watch list feature. Now, if I want to take it off, I just take it off here. So you can view all your watch list cryptocurrencies just like here. This is your chart of your portfolio balance. I'm going to have $8.92. And then this down here, it shows you how you can get people signed up for Coinbase, and then your portfolio, and then your transaction history that you've done. So Coinbase is really simple and really easy to use. Just play around with it. You can watch this video a few times if you just wanted more information to buy it. If you don't have a Coinbase account, click on the link below in the description box. Open up your free account, get some free Bitcoin, invest into your first cryptocurrency asset. All of these you can do. You can do Ethereum, Stellar, Bitcoin. And remember how to find out. Go to prices and make sure this is tradable assets. And this shows you all your tradable assets that you can use on this platform. My name is Adam Shelton. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you on the next video. Open up your free account on Coinbase on the link below.